Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize macOS firewall prompts in system settings, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open the system settings on your Mac. Click on Network. In the left sidebar, select Firewall. If the firewall is off, you'll need to turn it on. Click on Turn on Firewall to activate it.
Once the firewall is on, you may see prompts for specific applications. To authorize these prompts, navigate to the Firewall Options button.
Click on Firewall Options to open the settings.
In the Firewall Options window, you'll see a list of applications.
Locate the application you want to authorize. If the application isn't listed, click on the Add Application button. Browse your Mac to find the application you want to add. Select the application and click Add. Make sure the checkbox is selected next to the application for authorization.
You can also set the app to allow incoming connections as needed.
Once you've made your selections, click on OK to save the settings.
Your changes will allow the selected applications to bypass the firewall prompts. If you encounter any issues, revisit the firewall options to adjust permissions.
Exit the system settings when you're finished. Your Mac's firewall is now configured for authorized applications.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.